Another very important feature found in SongSurgeon is the ability to create or set beginning and ending loop points and therefore have the video loop continuously. And the way we do that is by using these buttons down here. This is beginning loop, ending loop. This is reset to the beginning of the loop, and this is to erase or to cancel the loop point. So in this particular video, I have a guitarist queued up and he's about ready to start playing, and when we get to the point that we'd like to begin the loop, we're going to click this button and you'll see we're going to set a green marker up here. So I click this and it set a green marker at 3.5 seconds. If that wasn't exactly where we wanted it, we can certainly grab the slider and move it around, but to be more precise, we click on this little gray line here and it moves it back a tenth of a second at a time, and so we might be able to more precisely fine-tune where we want this, and then we click this again and it resets it now at 3.3. So we're going to go ahead and let this gentleman play a few more bars, and then we're going to set an ending loop point so you can see how this works. So you can see I clicked this second button to set the ending loop point at 10.9 seconds, and you've seen it loop once now, meaning that when it gets to the ending loop point it jumps back to the beginning one. Now the other nice feature here is that you can have this loop continuously, and you can have it loop continuously while you have the tempo slowed down so you can better follow along. And not only that, you can also zoom in. So let me show you how this works with the tempo slowed, with the zoom on, and then with a continuous loop. All of these features working together gives you a very powerful tool or set of tools to be able to help you learn something quicker, easier, better, simply because you can see it, you can hear it, and you can play it repetitively. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to start this loop again, and then I'm going to zoom as well as slow down. So now we're all the way slowed down to 50%. And now I'm zoomed in eightfold, so we have all three of these things being used to our advantage. Just a couple of other quick things then. If we want to reset the progress of the video to the beginning loop point, we click this and it moves it there. If we want to erase the loop points, we click this and it will erase them. And then lastly, and importantly, if we want to save these settings, meaning the beginning and the ending loop points, let's say the tempo setting, and if we wanted to type some notes in here, we could do that. And then once those things are all there, we would simply click this button here to save as. We're going to save this as a project. We're going to give it a name. Let's call it lesson 1.vsp. And that's the Video Surgeon project file format that we use. We click save, and now it's saved all of that information. So the next time you would like to practice this particular lesson that you've created, when you open it up, all these things will already be set. If you have any notes here about your what you're doing that you want to remember, you can simply open the notes window up and you'll see it again. But that's how you save these settings so you can use them again in the future. And again, this illustrates setting and using these loop points to allow a video to loop continuously, and then to be able to open up that same video or that same lesson and see it again with these loop points that you had previously set already there for you again when you open it the second time. Thanks.